Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the quick note shortcut to the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on control center. Next, scroll down to the More Controls section. Then tap on Add Quick Note. So tap on the Add button to add Quick Note to the control center. Now if you swipe down the control center at the top, you'll be able to access Quick Note by simply tapping on the shortcut. And here you can quickly create a new Quick Note. To remove it from the control center, simply head it to the Included Controls section and then tap on the Remove button, then tap on Removed, and that will get removed from the control center. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.